Children are the future of the country. If the foundation is healthy, no one can stop a nation from getting developed. Stated by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And we all are remembering him on the beautiful occasion of Children's Day. Good morning and a warm welcome to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 10. We are celebrating Children's Day today and also I got an opportunity to say something on today's special occasion. Children's Day is the day that marks honesty and greatness of a leader like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day represents not only the birth of Nehru ji, a great leader, but also a day to look forward to take the country towards constant success and to create an awareness for the rights of children, which includes their education and care. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. He was a great politician and a good-hearted human being. He had a special place for children in his heart and was popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru declared the independence of India by giving the Truce with Dynasty speech at midnight on August 14 in 1947. After India got independence, he became the first Prime Minister of India. He was committed himself to the nation by engaging in civil disobedience and satyagraha. Pandit Nehru had always dreamed of making India a superhero. He knew that children are the future of the country and they can take India toward heights of success. All the parents and teachers should understand that it is responsibility of all to make sure that an essential thing like education is not marked off from the life of a child. On the other side, we, means all the children, are the future leaders of India. Let us all perform our duties and responsibilities to make a beautiful society and a better nation. Thank you to everyone for listening and giving your precious time. Happy Children's Day to all of you.